Today, you're going to find out if TheraBreath Fresh Breath mouthwash is actually better than Listerine. First, let's talk results. TheraBreath is designed to fight bad breath for a full 24 hours when you use it every 12 hours after brushing. Next, think about how it feels. With TheraBreath, you're getting an alcohol-free rinse, so there's no painful burn. Instead, its oxygenating formula starts working right away to neutralize odor. Listerine, on the other hand, relies on alcohol and essential oils. That's why you get that strong sting and sometimes an overwhelming aftertaste. Next, check the quality. TheraBreath skips artificial dyes, it's kosher, vegan, gluten free, and it's actually the #1 alcohol free mouthwash brand in the US. Plus, it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It says here that if it doesn't improve your breath in 30 days, you get a full refund. Here's the bottom line. Listerine is a powerhouse if you're focused on fighting plaque and gingivitis and don't mind the burn. But if you care about comfort, fresh breath that lasts, and a formula that's easier on your mouth, TheraBreath is the better choice. Now you know how TheraBreath stacks up against Listerine.